Fingers in the way of the thing.
Oh, wow.
That good?
Yeah.
Okay, here you go.
Yeah, just move us away for a second.
He made a funny noise.
How big he is. Oh, he's challenging is what's going on.
And he's walking away. Look at them all over here. There's tons of them.
Whoa.
More on the right.
Notice all the flies.
Smell the sagebrush? Mm-hmm. Oh, look at
That's what he did. That big one there was challenging. Look at the size of it.
Whoa, look at that one.
Right here.
Ooh.
Well, we got a couple more over here. Maybe I can get a really good close-up.
There's some way up there, too.
They're
Look at the size of
everywhere.
that one up there.
Gee, how many would you say we've seen now?
Probably 300 or 400.
Oh, here you go, George.
Uh-oh.
That's a mama.
Do you hear?
Uh-oh.
Do you hear that?
Uh-oh.
That's over here.
You better close your window, honey.
That's
Close
right
the
here.
window. Stop, George. Stop.
Close your window.
Shh. Stop. Close your windows.
You gonna get him?